Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix BTV buffering, server issues, VPN, cache clear, and playback fix. To fix buffering issues on BTV, you should clear the app's cache, use a high quality external video player, and switch to a premium link provider like Real Debrid. Because BTV relies on public scrapping servers, free streaming links frequently overload and cause playback stalls. Fix 1. Switch the video server. The link. Pause the video or go back to the source selection menu. From there, select a different streaming link from the list. Now prioritize links labeled with Google Video Direct or High Speed as they offer better bandwidth. Avoid links that exceed your internet connection speed. Example, do not pick a 4K link if your internet is slow. Choose a 1080p or 720p instead. Fix 2. Change your default video player. Go to the BTV settings menu, which is the gear icon. Look for the choose default player option and switch from the default player to a highly optimized external player like VLC for Android or MX player. When you launch a video, select play with and choose your newly installed player. Fix 3. Clear app cache and temporary data. On Fire Stick/Fire TV, go to Settings, then go to Application, tap on Manage Install Application, and click BTV. Now select Clear Cache and then select Force Stop. On your Android TV/phone, go to Settings, then tap on Apps, find BTV and click Storage. Then select Clear Cache and then select Force Stop. Note: do not select Clear Data unless you want to wipe out your saved favorites and history. Fix 4. Optimize your VPN connection. If your VPN is on, turn it off temporarily to see if your internet service provider ISP speed improves. And if the stream improves with the VPN, your ISP is actively throttling your video traffic. So change your VPN location to a server physically closest to your actual city to reduce latency and boost download speeds. Fix 5. Integrate a real Debrid account. Free links scrapped by BTV are public and highly prone to server overload. So sign up for a premium multi-hosted accounts like Real Debrid. Open BTV settings, then scroll down to the Real Debrid section and select Login. Enter the code shown on your screen at the link verification page. This unlocks restricted premium high-speed download mirrors colored in green or yellow, which completely eliminate buffering. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.